Can you please explain to my wife that we need to have sex when the light is on?
And please explain to my husband why the light has to be off.
Why should it be off?
Why will it be on in the first place?
Because I need to see your body for crying out loud.
Hey, have you not seen my body before? You should be familiar with it already.
Babe, before you got married to me, you know I'm an explorer. I need to see the whole of your body before I have sex with you. You know this.
Should
we go dark every time?
Well, yes! Because you should be able to go with everywhere closed.
Oh.
Have it in your memory.
We need to go dark so that all our children will be dark for... Can you explain to my wife that I don't want dark children?
I should explain to you.
Yes. It is your job. That is why I'm paying you handsomely. Explain to her.
Wait. Did you say that you don't want... How does the light being on or off have to do with that?
All I want is that I want a child that looks like Grandma Akure.
But wait, is it Grandma Okure that gave birth to the child?
Oh, wow.
Why can't she look like Grandma Ogun State now?
No,
I don't get it.
That children, the light has to be off.
It to be off.
It has to be on. It has to be on.
Tell him it to be off.
Tell her it has to be on.
It to be off.
Oh, you won't tell her. She will pay you your balance.
You will pay you the balance.
Your money.
Am I the one that
be
brought
playing
it?
with your money.
He will pay you. It will be off.
Okay.